So what we're seeing now is it's getting to the dirtier area of the floor. Doing a reasonable job. Zoom in. The real dirt's right over there. It's a small spice kitchen that we have here. So this room maybe takes about 10 minutes. Probably, these are 2x2 tiles, so that's 6 foot by 6 foot floor area we're cleaning. Bigger kitchens obviously take a way longer time. And we'll pause it here. It's going to take us a while to get right back here. Here we go with the dirty areas. So what we'll see is the first pass usually doesn't get rid of all the gunk. This time it did, the path it just took. But as it comes back, it tends to go over it. It overlaps a little bit, which takes sometimes 2 or 3 passes to actually clean the dirt off. And you'll see how fast it'll be till it comes back here. See the water spray out of the head there. Maybe we didn't. There we go, went right over the dirty area. You're gonna see it. Probably getting low on water. Seems to be spraying a little less. So you're gonna see it got rid of the loose dirt. So that's why these things are good on a schedule, probably every other night. Gotta find an economical way for the solution. Right now, Roomba says to buy their bottle. I don't know, there's gotta be a different way though. Yeah, we're in the corners now. It'll probably go back to where it missed a few spots. Yeah, hard to pick up the water on the camera, or the solution anyway. But that's been a pretty decent job. So we can see the grime that was there earlier is gone. Yeah, just bumped into us here. Got to keep my eyes on him. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, it's going right into the edge where it missed. Yeah. So it's pretty good at detecting the obstacles and feels around how to get it. So remember, we've done a mapping run, so it's memorized this room. So before we actually did the first cleaning. But there you go, folks. The Roomba Braava Jet, sorry, robotic mop. So it's good. Unless you need, for the tougher stains, you will need to use a bit more elbow grease. But if you run this every second or third night, I think you'll be pretty good. And now we'll do some research on how to get a cheaper way to use their solution.